Today we got a video from Lens of Law, and the title of the video is Officers Confront Knife Welding Felon Inside Gas Station.
On August 20th, 2023, in Grand Chute, Wisconsin, Officer Watson and others were on a service call when they noticed an individual at a gas station, Victor, with an active apprehension request from probation. However, when the officers moved to confront Victor, the following occurred.
Oh, what do you got? Hey, put down the knife now! 7713, give
Put him in the dirt. He asking to get put in the dirt.
You got a different door over there?
Yeah, different door.
Okay, I'm gonna stay here.
We'll go inside.
Yep. Hey, hands up. Drop the fucking knife, dude.
I'll come out.
Drop it.
I will come out.
Okay, drop the knife.
Give me 1 second. I'll come out. I'll give up. I'm not here to hurt nobody. You hear me? I'm not.
Drop it.
Right here, right now. I'm not leaving.
Can you guys go inside, make sure he doesn't do anything to the clerk? Just watch the crossfire. He's still behind the desk.
All right, sounds good. All right, Victor. Listen. Victor.
I'm telling you right now.
Victor.
I'm not playing. Call my girl, and then I'll give up.
Victor.
You have my word.
Absolutely. Victor, our main concern is for the other people in here, okay? Is it all right if the other people leave?
I promise you, nobody else. I won't move from this spot.
All right.
Okay?
Okay.
You have my word.
Absolutely, Victor, okay? We can work with you on
You
this.
answer this phone, man.
All right.
Just give me a second, man. It's going to be... I'm not going to have a problem. I just...
All right. All right, Victor, listen, we can work this out, man. We're mostly concerned.
Phone call and
All right, Victor, is it okay if the person sitting behind the counter there walks around and exits the store?
Go ahead, brother. Sorry.
All right, sir, behind the counter, if you want to walk around behind us here, just keep a wide berth, okay?
Sir, can you walk through, please?
Yep, you can leave the store, okay?
Yep, go right out that exit door right there.
It's locked. You gotta go out this.
Can you
All right.
lock it?
You can come on behind us here.
Behind us.
Yeah, I'm not gonna. Hey, you're good, buddy. I promise. I'm not here to hurt nobody, except for myself.
There's a guy behind the counter.
All right.
Sir, behind the counter, can you hear me? Yep. Why don't you walk this way and come out behind us, okay?
All right, let me call my preacher. Okay.
All right, sounds good. And Victor, listen, it's just a simple warrant, man.
I don't give a fuck about it. English is where it's not.
Listen, we weren't even here
what?
for
Check it
you.
out. I have 2 warrants.
Do not walk towards us, okay?
Here's the deal. I have 2 warrants. I have a preparation warrant, and I'm on a signature bond, and
You take one more step, we gonna turn you into Swiss cheese.
I'm also looking at 5 felony repeaters. 6. So I got it.
You can add me as well.
Okay, so.
916, I copy.
Victor, just work with us here. You're not helping yourself.
I don't care.
If you want to make a phone call, we can make a phone call.
Let me give you the full scope. Because last time, how far did you hit the chase me, my old ass? This is the problem. Okay? I don't get out this time. Okay? They just upgraded my girlfriend to stage 4 cancer, bro.
Unlock.
4, stage 4.
Okay.
Stage 4.
If you want to make a phone call, we can make a phone
I'm
call.
trying to. The bitch won't answer the
No,
phone.
but you got to do that after you drop the knife here.
I did that. You know what they did to me? I didn't get to talk to her. They said, yeah, well, you'll let talk to her. I didn't do it. Is that what y'all gonna do? You just gonna shoot me out?
Victor, none of us wants
We don't want to do that to you.
Okay, just give me 1 second to call this bitch, and I'll be
All right,
done.
Victor, as soon as you make that phone call,
I'm trying, man. She just answered
we're giving you all the time you need here, okay?
Listen, he's arrested me before. We've talked before. I'm not a bad guy, man.
Nope, nobody here is saying that you're a bad guy.
But I know.
Our main concern is-
But I'm not stupid. As soon as I put the gun this down, it's over. If you'll just tase me, whatever else you're gonna do. Don't tase me anyway.
Yep.
Just give me a second to call her. That's all I'm asking, guys.
Good. He's trying to make a phone call.
9180.
He's got a knife in his hand. He was holding it up to his throat earlier. Just put it down.
You put it down, man? We'll let you make
No,
that phone
just
call.
tase me.
We're not going to tase you if you
I
put the
promise you
knife
this. I promise you this. I make a phone call. I'll go to fucking door.
They're requesting a phone
You have my word. I swear to God. And I tell you what,
multiple alerts.
and I'm a believer.
RP.
You want to try to? You always want to try to call her? I'll give you her number also.
Okay. We'll let you try to make your phone call first. I think that's the best route, and then if that doesn't work, you
She
can...
broke up with me because she doesn't want me to watch her die. She doesn't want me to watch her die.
Watch your preacher die?
No, my girlfriend. She's in stage 4 cancer.
Okay.
And
All
she
right.
f***ed me because she doesn't want to watch me watching her die.
Gotcha. Okay.
and I knew I was going to be going, and it was fine. And,
Come over by me on the outside of
man,
the building.
you know, I asked God 100 times, man, why, you know? I've tried to kill myself 40 times in the last 2 weeks.
Well, Victor, listen.
Guess what? Didn't work out, and I'm not going to do it today.
I'm sorry.
You know why?
Through this, my man. And I'm sorry your girlfriend's going through that.
Oh,
yeah.
she just texted me.
All right, Victor. What's her phone number?
Give me a second. See, this is why, man.
Just back up from the knife.
See, this is why.
Back up on the
I tried. I gave you a break, man.
Hey, Victor.
Just, if you're gonna shoot me, man, go ahead. Look, I did good faith. I set the knife down, didn't I?
Put it down and step
I
away.
sat down, and you put your gun right at me.
All right, Victor. Victor. Okay. Who am I calling here? Who is this? What's her name, at least? I have her phone number. I'm gonna give her. I'm sorry.
Cindy.
Cindy. Okay.
I'm sorry, guys.
Just put it down, man. We'll take care
I
of
got
it.
it, man. I know, man. But you know, listen. I grew up in Miami. I freaking know how it works. Just,
Put the knife down.
And I
We'll
will
take
put
care
the knife down.
What's that?
I will put it down. I'm not gonna hurt
Can you
myself.
just put it down for us right
This
now?
is just so that you guys don't shoot. Oh, man. All I want to do is get her on the phone. So I can say, you know, tell her that I'll be praying for her and all that crap, you know?
All right. She didn't answer. I'm gonna call her again. Okay. Is that all right, Victor?
I'll take her and tell her that you're trying to call.
All right. Sounds good. Tell her it's gonna come through an unknown number. Okay. To pick that one up. Just for everyone's 43, we do have Victor inside. He still has a knife in his hand. We're working on negotiating and trying to call a couple of people for him.
He's trying. Can we just put the knife down, man? And we can work this out.
You know what? I want to. But as soon as I do that, you're not going to let me talk to her because that's what they did to me last time.
You know, it's I like how the other officers have a barrier right there. The only concern that I have for this officer right here with this angle is that he doesn't have a barrier. So, you know, of course, people identify knives with, like, you know, holding it in their hand and you know, doing motions or whatever like that. But what if he threw it? There is literally nothing that's blocking him if that guy just wants to throw it. Yeah, I bet you ain't think of that.
I'm trying everything I possibly
I know,
can.
and I appreciate it, and I want you both to know I appreciate it. The deal is, though, the last time they did this to me, they promised me they'll talk to her. I can tell her goodbye before I left, and you know what they said? I never even talked to her. They didn't even talk to her. They told me they talked to her.
All right, Victor, she didn't answer again. Has she responded to you yet?
Ah, the shield man. He the first gotta go.
All right, Victor, keep talking to me, okay? What is Cindy saying to you? Is she responding?
She wanted, well, I was going to turn myself in the morning,
Okay.
and so she was going to spend the night with me,
Okay.
and that was it. That was the plan, okay? And she had kind of blew me off for the last few hours, so.
Okay.
And I came up here to get drunk, and
Guys crash out over girls, man.
Right. So, Victor, Victor, can you look at me, please?
yeah.
Okay. Listen, quite honestly, we were.
His girl ghosted him, and he ready to crash out, man. You know, he's a weak-minded guy or whatever, but ladies, gotta be honest with the guys now. Just, you know, if you don't want to hang out, just say you don't want to hang out. Don't ghost them. If you ghost them, shoo, it gets bad.
Not here for you. We're here on a completely separate call, right? Then I just happen to recognize you, okay?
I'm famous.
Okay? So listen, what can we do to help you put down the knife and just go peaceful?
Let me get my preacher on it, and that'll be good.
Once you call your preacher,
Yep,
will you put down the knife and will you surrender?
Yeah, I just want to call him right now. His name is Adam. He's head preacher at Pathways.
Can you just do us a favor and just step away from the knife?
Man, but I still got to
You
put
can-
it down for you.
You can still call.
Oh, see, man.
Got them together.
Still got it.
Where's the bag?
It's over there. I told you I set it down, man.
Hit his ass with that less lethal, and then hit him with the taser, then smacked him with the shield. Oh man, got him together, boy. You ain't about to keep making these phone calls playing with us.
Just do us a favor and just step away from the knife.
Man, but I still gotta put it down for you.
You can still call.
Less lethal. Rush him. Taser. Bow. Oh, got him together. Boom. Oh.
It's over there. I told you I set it down, man.
Ooh, got him together,
I'm not
boy.
even fighting you guys. What, you kidding me? I'm not even fighting.
I got cuffs.
Where's the knife? Do we got it?
It's on the counter. Where I put it. I got it. Guess what? I don't get it. I told you exactly what I was doing. I did nothing wrong. You know that. I did exactly what I told you I was gonna do.
Okay,
I told you as soon as I put it down.
We're standing you up, bud, okay? Roll to your butt.
Hold on.
Hey, you know what? That was ridiculous, guys. You hear me? Oh, fuck.
Got him. 23.
I told you I was gonna give up, man. I didn't
All right, Victor. Listen.
You see that? I told you.
Good old pepper ball.
We can with you, okay? When you threaten us with a knife, though, we have to take action, okay?
I understand that, and that's why, and you know what, and I did it as good faith to put it down for you. Because I was talking to you, I told you I didn't want to hurt anybody. And you know what, did I get to talk to my girl yet? No.
Victor, I promise you I will make every effort for you and Cindy to make connections here,
That's
okay?
what they did, that's what they told me last time, man.
I promise you, though. Listen, I'm a man of faith, too.
I want to
all
show
right?
you, well, you guys,
Victor?
listen, you know how I remember praying with you last time.
Victor?
Hey, you guys get my phone, I want you all to see something.
All right, Victor. Do you have any weapons on you right now?
No, I have nothing.
Any? Okay. I'm gonna take your necklace off, okay? Does it come? Is this side
Moss
of your
is
head there?
going through it, boy.
No. Take your gun.
Okay, I got you, man.
You want to pull those off? You know, man, I told you guys I was going to give it up.
All right, Victor, do you want us to remove these probes, or do you want to wait for EMS? It'll just sting for a little bit.
Just wait for the EMS.
All right, sounds good.
I mean, no, there they are right there. They're not bothering me.
Okay. Can you hold on,
hey.
or can you remove this?
You know, when I set the knife down, I showed you my hands.
Yep.
Just to give you guys good faith, man.
But
you know
Victor-
what?
but
I
Victor,
turned
when-
around, man.
Victor-
I turned around for you
Victor,
guys.
when you're talking about calling your preacher,
You know what? Because you know why? Because this is my preacher, bro.
and listen, I will give you an opportunity. I promise you. Victor, look at me, please. Okay? Man to man. I promise you. I'll give you an opportunity to connect with your preacher and to connect with Cindy. Okay? I promise you that.
You won't.
Okay? I absolutely will. As a man of faith and a
You
man
know
of
what
my
she'll say?
word.
You know what she'll say? She'll say?
Who, Cindy?
She'll say no.
Okay. I can't force her to do anything
That's what you
that
guys
she
said
does
last
not
time.
want to do.
Hey, can I have a cigarette, please?
Huh?
Have a cigarette.
Yeah, we got EMS here to talk with you.
Cindy don't
Make
want
sure
nothing to
you're
do
okay.
with you, man.
All right, you got nothing else on you? All right.
Victor was then taken to the hospital for medical evaluation, after which he was transported and booked into the Outagamie County Jail. Victor was found guilty in court of carrying a concealed knife with a repeater modifying charge. He was sentenced to serve 120 days in the local jail and was obligated to pay around $440 in court fines. Please consider showing your support by...
That ain't bad. Man, my guy crashed out because of Cindy, man. Listen, you got to go where all the guys that get rejected by women go, man. After they get after they get out of a relationship or whatever, and they, you know, whatever, the ladies have done them wrong or whatever, guess where they go? To the gym, all right? That's where they go, man. That's where they go. They go to the gym and they go level up, man, and go get them something better. You know what I'm saying? That's how I go, man. That's how I go. Can't dwell on the past, man. Gotta go get the new model, man. You know what I'm saying? Gotta update. Don't crash out like this. Now this is bad, man. Listen, she don't want nothing to do with you, man. Whatever it is, whether she's sick or whatever the case may be, you know. Either way it go, she don't want nothing to do with you, man. That's it. Take the L, man. Take the L. Better yourself. Go back out on the dating market, man. But anyway, cops did a good job. They get a 4. Like I said, the only problem that I kind of had was the one officer that was in the aisle. You know, I think it would have been best for him to be on the back of the aisle, kind of blade himself, you know, to have at least a little bit of a protection from the, you know, the racks or whatever. But whatever, it is what it is, you know. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.